Installed on a 2002 Honda Accord. Got a radio, 6x9s, dual speakers. This is dash kit. Then this is the wire harness for the radio. Nice simple install. So first thing you want to do is a screw right here. You want to take this out. This slides like that, and it pulls out, and you gotta take this clip off for the handle. Then there's a screw in here that you got to take apart. Then you can just pull the whole door out. Oh, you take this piece off too. It just pulls off. Just pull it right off. Pull it off. All right, here we go. It's the factory speaker. Door panel is off. Just got these two little plugs. So, about to put these in. All right, I got one in. It's clean. Just gotta get the panel back on. Still off the factory radio, haven't changed it yet. Alright, everything's back together. Everything put back together pretty easy. I got the speaker playing so I can get the polarity right. Polarity is the positive and negative of the speaker. And if one of them is backwards, it'll throw the bass off. So the bass will be canceling each other basically in place instead of adding together to create more bass out of your door speakers. Same thing with this side. Obviously, this speaker is blown. It's tweeter work a little bit halfway. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this off, pop this open, take the screw out, take the screw out right here, and everything just pops off. Don't forget about the clip behind here to take off the door handle. Then everything just pull out and slide right on off. All right, this door panel is off. You see the speakers all busted up. So this is what's getting replaced, and it's hanging by one screw, which isn't good. So yeah, this is about to get changed, and see how the speaker back in and it's working. With me, but I don't got the time. Now you gotta put the door panel back up. Went ahead, check the polarities, make sure all the bass is added and that's subtracted. Now I'm gonna put the door panel back on and proceed to doing the rest of the speakers. Taking these off to change the 6x9s in the back. These how they look. You got 8mm around here. Take them out and it should pop right out.
We hold on. We hold on. Like damn, see her move. Like damn, see her move. Like damn, see her move.
Screw it in. Just past the side of the back, got everything screwed in. Just gotta put this top on. This is the old speaker right here. Slide this up. Put it on just like that. Slide this in the seatbelt hole and go under and screw it in. Alright, now it's time to install the radio. So this is a 2002 Honda Accord. So first what you want to do is take these two out, two Phillips heads, and then this whole dash should pull right on out. Then you get to like little screws and bolts behind here. This is the wire harness kit. What I normally do is go ahead and take this radio harness, this one, and go ahead and wire them up together. It's pretty easy. All the colors match up. So you just hook it up accordingly. Whatever you don't know what it is, it'll have a little tag on it, tell you what it is. So that's how I go. Radio working as it should. Now I'm gonna go in and adjust it and get back to you. Huh?